And that's it. And that's a wrap.
And that's a wrap.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we're crafting with box 801.
Yep.
Yes, and it is a, it's a jewelry box.
It's a jewelry box.
But it's not a jewelry box.
It's not a jewelry box.
No, not a jewelry box, but it's a box with something to make jewelry out of inside of it.
Yes. And what is that thing, Amy?
That thing is some leather bracelets. We're gonna make some leather wrap bracelets. We have this beautiful leather. We've got a few colors for you to choose from. We're gonna cut them into strips and make wrap bracelets.
Yep. So we're ready to go. Let's get started.
All right, let's go. We're a go for bracelets. So what do we do?
Where do we start?
Where do we start? I think we should start by taking a piece of leather
Okay.
and attaching it to one of these nifty little silver things.
I can do that.
And I bet we need to pop this open. Oh, it's already open.
Well, we'll see if it's not dried out.
Oh no! Don't get the super glue
I think
on your
you'll be
finger.
okay. I've never seen a reaction quite like
I'm
that
so
for
scared
super
of
glue.
super glue.
Why?
Because I'll glue my fingers together.
You won't glue your fingers together. That was funny.
This is so I don't have to use my fingers, hopefully. But we're gonna add a little dot of the glue.
You want to do each other's?
Wrap it around. Oh, that's a good idea. I'll glue your fingers together. Okay, so now while that's drying, let's put one on the other end. Is this gonna
Okay.
be the quickest craft we've ever done?
Probably.
Sweet. And then we're just gonna use the other two pieces, or the other one piece,
The other one piece.
and connect it.
Should we do any bit of measurement?
Or just wing it.
Okay.
I like winging it. Does it always work? Of course.
We'll find out. If you were going to measure, I guess this is the point you'd want to wrap it, because you could always snip some of that off if you wanted to make it smaller. We have two very different, maybe we don't have such different size wrists, but
Snip it with the snippers.
yeah, so it's got it.
Oh yeah.
So
We take a clippy off.
I'm gonna take both off because they are in the Y.
In the what?
In the Y. You know I did that on purpose, right? In the Y.
In the Y?
Yeah, in the way.
Why, yeah. Where?
I'm like, that was not my accent. I did that on purpose.
We worked really hard to get rid of that.
We did.
So we'll just start on the back here and wrap. dying to test it out.
Let's test it. So it's a little big, so I could have snipped, and it's nothing that you can't undo.
Right.
And, you know, pull it apart, snip a little.
What do you think?
Yeah, very cute.
Yeah, and you might want to loosen that up a little bit so that it's not sticking out. Now we pose.
Should we make another one?
All right, let's fast forward to the second one.
Okay, we'll wear these while we make these.
It's good. Now we wrap. I feel like, I don't know what I feel. Never put this many things on my wrist,
No?
but I like it. There's like a whole lot going on there, but I like it.
Mm-hmm.
And model.
Let's see what the tweeny teens think. We need your opinions. Come on in.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
Don't you want some?
Yes.
Wouldn't that be a cute party?
That would.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. You can leave now.
Well, there you have it. We're done,
Yay.
and we're cute. These were very quick and fun and jazzy.
Jazzy.
We decided that you're very high-key, Western
Boots and
Grand Canyon on
Yeah.
a donkey sort of a,
go line dancing sort of thing.
I'm a little more rock and roll.
Yeah. Rock and roll.
Totally fits our personalities. Anyway,
I'm a little bit country and
I'm a little bit rock and roll.
there you go.
Very, very cool. And genuine leather, and you made them.
Right, these aren't your faux leather, pleather, vegan, whatever. Because it smells good. Oh, it
yeah.
does.
They smell amazing. Cool thing about it is you can kind of adjust them to make the size fit for you. They stretch just enough to wrap on.
Yeah.
So there's no catch. You don't have to ask anybody to put your bracelet on for you.
No, and wait, let's see. We're gonna take it off and see if we can do something else with it.
Okay.
I have an idea.
Okay. Should I go along or am I example one?
You can just watch.
You could.
Look at there. I have a nice leather necklace now. So it's versatile.
It's versatile. You can cut that out.
Or maybe I just like cut that little part out, but you didn't get to hear it.
No,
We had to cut that
we
out.
had to cut that out.
Put it back on.
So we could also do these as a party box.
Definitely. I
that
think this
how-
would be fun to get together with friends, and it's quick, so it's not like it's going to take up your whole entire night. Have a party, make some bracelets, and then go to a rock concert
Or line dancing.
or line dancing.
Either way.
Okay.
All right, very good.
Well, this was fun today, and we hope you enjoyed this little quick craft box, and
We will see you next time.
see you next time.
Subscribe.